Imagine attending a midnight masquerade where everyone mysteriously yawns at the same time. This isn't just a quirky coincidence. Yawning is contagious, and scientists have found that even thinking about yawning can trigger it. It's a fascinating phenomenon linked to empathy and social bonding. In fact, the more empathetic you are, the more likely you are to catch a yawn. So, at a masquerade, where masks hide faces, the shared yawning becomes a secret dance of connection. Next time you yawn, remember it's a sign of your social nature. Like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing tales.